Good morning everyone. So today we're in a city called San Miguel de Allende. It's supposed to be the most beautiful city here in Mexico. A lot of people consider it to be. As you can see, it's like a colorful colonial city, so I always love these places. I am a bit sick at the moment, so yeah, I'm gonna try and do my best in this video. And now we're just gonna walk around and explore a bit. No real plans, like I said, just walk around. What's up? So when I did my video in Mexico City, I mentioned that it was the most churches that I've ever seen, that there were churches on every street corner, and this place is no different at all, because as you can see, we got one right here. This one's beautiful, look at that. Amazing colors. And then in the background over there you can see the dome of another one. I think Mexico definitely has the most churches we've ever seen, right? Yeah. It's literally every corner. So we've now come to what is the landmark of this place, which is this incredible parish here. Look at that. I can't pronounce the name of it, so Carol's gonna do the honors.
I think it's Paróquia de San Miguel de Allende.
There you go. And there go the bells, I think, in that tower. Alright, food time. El Café de la Mancha. So we come to like a little local cafe for lunch, cheap lunch. It's kind of hard to find cheap places around here. So you can see from the menu everything's around like 100 pesos or less, so that's $5 or less. Really cheap price. And me and Carol are gonna get this enchiladas with cheese enchilada, so 100 pesos. Check it out. So I got the green enchiladas, Carol got the red ones. We also got some beans, frijoles with the cheese. Have you eaten it yet? Mm-hmm. Spicy, right?
Very spicy.
Yeah. Me and Carol aren't very good with spicy food, so yeah, Mexico's been challenging, because even when they say it's mildly spicy, for us it's very spicy. So we've walked a bit further away from the main center now. Just so many beautiful, colorful roads here. Just everywhere you go is beautiful pretty much. So look at this, just every single building are these kind of colors on that side as well. And then once again, just a extremely beautiful church there. An interesting thing about here as well is that I've been to a lot of these like colonial towns before, and obviously they're always colorful, but this one seems to have yeah, similar colors. Every building, it's like these browns, oranges, yellows. There's no other kind of colors like greens or anything like really bright and striking. And even the modern buildings here kind of follow the same color scheme. So yeah, it's just been cool to see. Very different. We found a nice little spot to sit down since, yeah, I'm not feeling too good. Actually, Carol's not feeling that good as well, right? Yeah, 2 sick people here. Just trying to make the most of it either way, since we're probably going to be leaving tomorrow. Really nice spot though. Look how nice this looks. You got the fountain, got the colourful churches once again in the background. We're in more of like a local spot now. No tourists here at all. There's actually loads of tourists in this place, San Miguel, and a lot of tourists actually live here apparently. A lot of artists live here, foreign artists, because yeah, just everything's so beautiful, and I think there's lots of like art shops, things like that here. So yeah, it's a nice spot for artists to live. We've now come to the main park here, Parque Benito Juarez. Beautiful park, check it out. It's pretty big as well, very quiet and tranquil here. And we had been wondering who is Benito Juarez, because the airport in Mexico City is also named after him, and he was a president in the 1800s of indigenous origin, so probably pretty rare to have a president of indigenous origin, but he's like a Mexican hero here, so yeah, that's why so many things are named after him. Really nice though, lots of exotic plants and trees here as well. Yeah, I definitely recommend coming to the area around the park. It's probably the nicest area we've been in so far. It's kind of like a mix of the colourful old buildings but with plants and trees everywhere, so it's a lot nicer than the centre, I think. Okay, we've come back to the place where we're staying. It's called La Posada del Artesano, and I think it was around $18 on Airbnb, that's per day. Great location, we're right in like the center, so right near everything, walking distance. It's just a shared bathroom, that's all. We don't have our own private bathroom, but yeah, pretty good, simple place. And I'm gonna wrap this video up because yeah, we're pretty tired since we're both sick, and we've done quite a lot anyway. We did a lot of walking, got to see this beautiful place. I can see why it has the reputation of being the nicest city in Mexico. I think it's the nicest one that we've been to so far, so yeah, definitely worth coming here. And I don't know where the next video is going to be. We've got about 8 or 9 more days here in Mexico, and we don't really know what we're going to be doing. Decide where we're going to be heading tomorrow, and then yeah, we'll see where the next videos come from. So yeah, as always, just subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.